Hey there, welcome back to Generative AI with Varun. Today we have an incredibly exciting video. We're creating our first generative AI application. I am using Amazon Bedrock here, which is a fantastic place to get started, whether you want to create a retrieval augmented generation system or add agents to the mix. So today's project is AI Stylist, a conversational shopping experience with Amazon Bedrock. So I'm not going to spend a ton of time going over the context or the overview, but jump straight ahead to the actual architecture. So basically, this is a virtual assistant using Amazon Bedrock. You can ask the AI stylist a question. For example, I'm going to New York next week or San Francisco next week for a work trip or a tech conference. And it's not only going to give you recommendations, it's actually going to generate a customized image showing how that outfit is going to appear for you. And not only that, it's going to help you order the actual outfit and then give you additional recommendations. So let's dive in. We're using LangChain. So essentially, LangChain is going to help us with the framework for retrieval augmented generation, taking documents, splitting them into chunks, creating embeddings, and so on. Then, as you think about the architecture, you can use product catalogs, image generators, and not only that, you can also tap into order history and customer reviews. So let's dive right in. Here, we import Bedrock, the API, and we get started. And then you need to make sure that you set up the right large language models and text to image models. In this case, I'm using Stability AI. And then let's dive right in. You enter your prompt, and here's the code. And I'm going to skip straight to the outcome to show you what happens. And there it is.